What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, Dallin is with me.
What's up?
And we are going to put a racing CDI onto the Apollo 2018 125cc dirt bike. So, we're going to do a test beforehand and after we put the racing CDI on and see the performance and let you guys know if it's going to be worth it or if it's not. It's a $30 purchase. Some other mods we are going to do is put a air filter on, a foam air filter, and do, you know, basic maintenance as far as changing the oil, the spark plug, etc. So, hope you guys, yeah, he thinks it's going to be worth it. So I guess we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here is the before of the CDI Racing Performance CDI. So we put the Performance CDI on. We did the oil change and put a new spark plug in, as well as put a new filter on. So let's just give it a shot. I did bring my helmet out this time because I was told that it makes a world of difference. So let's put the helmet on and we'll rip it up.
Haven't rode it yet, so we'll see. Right?
But I mean, right off the bat, I do notice a high-end speed change, but not so much in the low end, which I don't know. For me, I don't.
It would give it more of a mid to a high.
Is that what you said? Yeah. So I mean, I did notice a top speed change, but like I said, I mean, it's gonna change as I ride it more. It's gonna kind of adjust itself, and the CDI, I don't know, for 30 bucks I don't think it's bad buy. If it's more than 30 bucks for you guys, I wouldn't necessarily do it, but I mean, you guys saw the difference, if any, over camera. Of course, I should probably take it on the road and kind of just show a top speed for it. So of course, it would be really nice to have a speedometer. If you guys like this video, please remember to hit that thumbs up. If you feel like it, subscribe. If you don't, whatever. Comment down in the section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.